Hey everybody, so today I am making yellow squash french fries or veggie fries. So I started off with the veggie peeler and I just peeled them, and then I cut off the heavier chunk, the thicker, wider chunk, and put that inside of my industrial french fry cutter because that just makes them all at the same time so fast. And after I did that, they came out nice and evenly cut. So I seasoned them, just a little bit of salt, the Himalayan pink salt, and some pepper and some parsley. So after I sprinkled that, I put a little tiny bit of garlic powder, about a quarter teaspoon, and I'll write down all the approximate measurements in the description box. Then I shook them into a Ziploc bag and added about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. The cornstarch is going to give the squash a more crunchier texture on the outside. So I shook that around. Then I added about 2 tablespoons of whole wheat flour and shook that around and get it evenly coated. So after that step, then I just need to kind of shake them off a little bit, and then I add a little tiny bit more salt just to make sure the flour and stuff has a little flavor to it. Then I arrange them onto the spoon to dip them into the grease, so that way I don't splash them in there and burn myself. So they're going to sit in the grease. It's about 375 for about 8 to 10 minutes, medium high heat if you have an electric stove. And then I arranged them nicely on this little saucer, and I shook it around to hear the crunch. They had a nice crunch on the outside. And now I'm going to make me a little dip, just a little avocado mayonnaise with ketchup, and mix that up and put that onto the side for like a garnish. So that turned out nice. It should be like a peachy color. And that's the finished result. And guess what? They are absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. Bye.